What's going on, guys? Garrett here from Renegade Products Private Label. In this video, we're going to be going over how you can make your own all-purpose cleaner private labeled product, whether it be for Amazon, your own e-commerce store, or if you're a professional detailer. Basically, what we have here is our two label designs. Obviously, everything depends on how much you're ordering. Our minimum order is going to be 60 bottles. And if you order 60 bottles, you have three options as far as the labels go. You can either do our cursive style, you could do our original style, or the third option would be that we send you the template. You edit the template, send it back to us, and then we can print it out on our printer. But if you're looking at the label here, you see basically you would imagine your logo going here or here. And then we have the name, which you can change if you want, or you could leave the same. Then we got the bullet points, which are kind of the sales pitches, if you will, which you can either change those or leave them the way they are. And then if we turn the bottle around, you see that we have the description, we have the directions, and then we would have this area here where your company information would go. That way, if somebody were to order your stuff and then want to go to reorder, they know how to find you. But there's that. And then the third, if we twist the other way, we have the warning information. Unfortunately, you cannot change any of this warning information because this is just the way it has to be by law. But yeah, those are that's the labels. And then what we also do here, which sets us apart, is we put in these plugs. The nice thing about the plugs is that they're more dependable than the typical seals that you see from other companies. If you see, we twist this upside down, nothing will leak out. It's not like fragile or anything like that. And then when you put the seal on it, just like that, or I'm sorry, not the seal, the non-dispensing cap, it really seals off the bottle, especially during shipping. It makes it so, you're not going to get any leakages or anything like that. We do ship inside of the box with the trigger on the side. So on this one, I put the trigger on here just so you guys can get the visual of what it looks like when the trigger is on it. But when we ship them, we do ship the triggers on the side, and then we ship the dispensing cap on top. Again, this is to prevent any leakages. Sometimes if you were to ship this, I've seen other brands, they want to ship this inside of the box, like the way you see it. And usually that's where you get damages because these things can break because the way UPS handles them, they tend to, bunt them over to somebody's driveway or business or whatever. And that just messes up the boxes and messes up the products inside as a result. So that's the overall label design and product design. As far as the pricing goes, our entry-level price is going to be for the 60 bottle program, and that's going to be $7 per bottle. Typically, you can sell this product, since it's a 16 ounce, for between $10 and $12 realistically. Every brand is different. If you're a more premium brand, you could command a higher price. Take Adams as an example. They sell one of their all-purpose cleaners for $12. They also have another one. They have a couple different ones, but they have one that's also, I think, at $10.99 or something like that. So it's basically, after shipping for you, 20 to 30% markup, which on such a low volume item with your own brand name on it is a really good deal. So you're not going to beat that anywhere, at least not with a decent product. It's got a nice label on it that really helps you sell the product. Another thing about the product is that these are good for, or all-purpose cleaners are good for interior and exterior cleaning. So you can use this product to clean the dashboard. You can use it to clean the door panels, the cup holders. People use all-purpose cleaners for cleaning like carpets as well. If you ever see Luke from Luke Wilson's Auto Detailing, he's always using an all-purpose cleaner in his videos with his little brush and the drill. So it's just a really great versatile product. You can use it on the exterior as well, like say the tires, the wheels, or the wheel wells. Definitely not going to be the best product for that because you would probably want to do a degreaser, but this will do okay for you. So that's something to keep in mind when you're starting your line, is that you want to have a good all-encompassing product. So that's pretty much all for this, guys. Obviously, one thing I do want to mention as well is that if you order in the higher volume, prices do drop dramatically. So that's something to keep in mind. A lot of times in these videos, I just like to go over the entry-level base case, but when you go beyond there, we have a lot more options as far as labels, bottles, formulations, things like that. But when you're talking about MOQs, we are somewhat limited just as far as capabilities and keeping it at a price where you can still make money, and we can still offer the program. So if you guys have any questions, please email me, Garrett at renegadeproductsusa.com. My phone number is going to be 714-646-3299. And of course, check out our website for all pricing and information, www.carcareprivatelabel.com. Thanks, guys.